Hi everyone, welcome back to my Mama Hotel. Today I'll be making moi moi. For those who haven't tasted moi moi, please use this channel to follow me while I guide you through. Thank you. We're going to start by using the peel beans. Now we're also going to soak it for about 10 minutes. Then you add 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, and 1 salt bonnet. Then you add crayfish. All together. Then we're going to add some water for blending to make sure it's like halfway. And we'll start blending. Now it's extremely smooth. So that is it. And this is the oil. You could add about 5 tablespoons or 4 tablespoons of it. 1 tablespoon of salt, of any seasoning. 3. Bit of oil. Okay, just a little bit of oil. Mix it together. We're going to use the wrap to make the container for the moi moi. So this foil, I will show you how to fold this wrap. Get the oil this foil. Make sure it's evenly oiled everywhere, every part of the container. You fold it into 2, just 2 this way. Then you at each edge, both left and right. Just keep folding. And see that? Now I take the other side. Fold, fold, fold until it's a little bit narrowed. Yeah, I think this is enough. So we can now clip it here at the edge. Clip it at the edge. So this is done. We'll leave it here. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Get the pot ready and put the foil in order to soak in the heat right into the pot, and turn on the heat to high heat. So we're going to use this pocket we made about a few minutes ago. So meanwhile, you get your hand into this pocket. Make sure you put your hand into it, you see. Now get about 1 into it, 1 or 2, right? Then we put our egg. We're going to use the egg. Drop 1 egg, 1 drop. Then you fold it 1, 2, and clip, 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 and we put it in the pot. All ready. So we're going to cover it up, right? We can cover it in order for the heat to go around evenly. So now time to check. Almost ready. So we just take 1 of it out. So this is your cooked moi moi. So let's give it a go and taste how delicious it is. So I'm going to give it a cut. You can see. That's it. I'm giving it a taste. Only half a taste. That is your moi moi. Delicious. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Take care. Bye.